infections, white blood cells.
White blood cells. Okay, thank you.
Can I be next?
Who are you?
I am Arjuan.
No.
Okay.
Okay, go on.
Okay, thank you. Which of these are types of white blood cells? Phagocytes and lymphocytes.
Excellent. Phagocytes and lymphocytes. Good. Next one. Who want to answer this question?
Mister, can I answer? Mister, can I answer again?
I need another
Mister,
one.
can I answer?
Okay, another one. Okay.
أنا.
Okay, go on.
Which of these words should you include in description of phagocytes? Engulf or digest?
Engulf and digest, right. Go. Next.
أنا مستر ممكن أعلق.
Okay.
Which type of cells releases antibodies? Lymphocytes.
Lymphocytes. Excellent. Number 7. New one. We need new one. Omar Alaa.
Yes, Mister.
Can you answer?
Okay.
Okay.
After you have had an infection or a vaccination, you are immune to a pathogen because you have developed a memory cell.
Sure. Memory cells or antibodies? What do you think? Memory cells or antibodies?
Memory cell.
Sure.
Oh.
Right. Excellent. Trust your answer, okay? Trust in yourself. Number 8. I need a new one. Muhammad Hamdi. Muhammad Hamdi.
Memory is what you to produce better phagocytes.
Your voice is cracking.
Memory is white blood cells enable you to produce antibodies at fast rate.
Who said what, guys? Which number?
Mister, he said
He said
A, okay. Okay. Right. Number 9. Thank you, Muhammad. Number 9. Who want to answer this question?
Mister, wasn't this question similar to number 8?
Number 8 again?
Mister, it's the same question.
Repeat it, yes.
But different
But
choices.
أعتقد different choices. Okay.
Okay.
Memory white blood cells enable you to produce antibodies. Okay. 10.
Mister, can I answer?
Okay.
What is in the needle for a vaccination? Number D.
Dead or weakened pathogens. Excellent. Thank you. Number 11. Number 11. Who want to answer? Number 11.
I can't.
Can I answer?
Okay, حل.
Which unique proteins on a cell identify whether it belongs to the body or not? Antigens.
Antigen. Excellent. Okay, Omar. Number 12.
True or false? An antibody can bind to any type of pathogen.
It can bind to any type of pathogen.
No, false.
Again, please.
False.
False. Each antibody specific to each pathogen. Excellent, Omar. Number 13. Your sister.
An antibody has a specific shape that only matches one antigen. True.
True. Excellent. Thank you, honey. Number 4.
Mister, can I answer?
Okay, Rukai, go on.
How is influenza transmitted? Droplet infection.
Droplet infection, infected blood. Yes.
Can I be
Droplet
next?
infections. Okay, 15, go on.
Why might a flu vaccine not protect you against flu next year?
Virus has
Because the virus has mutated.
Has mutated, modified. Excellent. Number A. Letter A. Excellent. Number 16.
bacteria.
Number 16.
Can I answer? Only bacteria.
Only bacteria. Okay. 17. Who want to answer? 17.
lymphocyte.
Read the question.
Which type of white blood cell provides an immune response that is specific to each pathogen? Lymphocyte.
Lymphocyte. Why? Why it's not phagocytes? Why you choose lymphocytes, not phagocytes? Who can explain Ahmed's answer?
مستر الليمفوسايتس هي اللي بتعمل ريليز للوايت بلاد سيلز.
What?
الليمفوسايتس بتعمل ريليز للوايت بلاد سيلز.
Are you sure?
يس.
Lymphocytes release white blood cells? You understand your answer? Allah.
مش متأكد أوي.
Lymphocyte type of white blood cells can't release white blood cells. It's part of it. Type of it.
بيعمل ريليز للانتي
Yes. Lymphocytes released antibodies. Okay, Abdullah.
Okay.
Dr. Ahmed. Ahmed. Lymphocytes, your answer is right. Because lymphocyte release antibody to a specific antigen of each pathogen. So your answer is right. Okay. Phagocyte to attack and engulf then secreted digestive enzymes to digest the pathogen. Okay. Don't forget it.
Okay.
18. Who want to answer?
Mister, can I answer?
Okay, Sam.
Number C.
Read the question.
A virus causes damage to your cells by replicating inside them.
Replicating, which means start to reproduce, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Sam. Number 19. Who want to answer this question?
Can I answer?
Okay, guys. Firstly, who is Abir?
Who's what?
Abir.
I don't know. The definition of an antigen is a
Wait,
protein on the surface of a
wait,
cell that enables it to be
wait.
identified.
wait. First, I
Okay.
want to know who is Abir, guys. To know the name of the student. Who is Abir?
It's not a name of student.
I
I
know.
don't know.
Maybe another account.
Maybe.
Okay. Look out. Okay.
Okay, shall I repeat my answer?
Okay, go on. Number
Okay.
19.
The definition of an antigen is a protein on the surface of a cell that enables it to be identified.
Letter B, right?
Yes.
Excellent. Thank you. 20. Who want to answer number 20? No one? Number 20.
2.
Muhammad. Open your mic. Read the
Mister, can I
question.
answer?
Your answer. Wait, Rukai.
Okay.
Wait, Rukai. Muhammad Hamdi.
The best definition of antibodies is a protein that binds to pathogens and digests them. A.
A. You did you read the 4 choices?
Yes.
So you trust your answer, letter A.
Yes.
Okay, guys. Anyone have another answer for number 20?
Number
D.
C.
C. Enzyme.
No.
I think
D.
A is the correct answer.
Again, please.
D.
Right.
ايوه دي.
Mister, I think it's D because they said that that it's released from lymphocytes, just like in C, but they said that it binds to the antigens.
Right. Excellent. Okay. Thank you.
And
The
also
best.
Hala said it.
I know. But you explain your answer. I know. The best definition for antibody, letter D. Okay, Muhammad Hamdi, letter D. Not A. Thank you, Hannah. 21. Who want to answer 21? Who want to answer 21?
It's a pathogen.
Pathogen?
Yes.
Hala, what do you think?
Antibody.
Pathogen.
What about antigen?
The antigen is the protein on the surface of the pathogen itself.
But the question asked substance. So it will be antigen or pathogen.
هو هنا pathogen or antibody. I don't know.
Again, please.
I see both of them are right.
Antigen and pathogen.
Yes, but each one has a specific reason. For the pathogen, it's like the whole substance that like causes the immunity system to respond,
Yes.
while the antigen is the one that's detected specifically.
Okay. Hala. Hala.
Yes.
Explain your answer. You said antibody.
No, I said pathogen.
But the question asked about substance. What about antigen?
Is it?
Pathogen is substance.
No.
What about antigen?
Yes.
You understand the question, or Joanne?
Yes, I get it.
It asks
I
about.
didn't like notice the word substance that well. So I based my answer on the whole question instead of the word substance.
The question asks about substance. Yes. Substance act as or considered as a foreign substance about the body, toxin substance. So the body start to attack and deal with this toxic substance.
Mhm.
The body attack and pathogen or its antigen, okay?
It's antigen.
Antigen, not the pathogen. So the answer
Okay.
is antigen. Okay?
Mister?
Yes, I hear you.
Okay, I have a question. So will our term 3 exam be choices like this?
Yes,
Okay, only choices.
yes. And all
Thank
the
you so much.
question will come from this sheet only.
Okay.
Mister,
Yes, Hala.
so what is the final answer?
Number 21,
Antigen.
antigen.
Okay.
The
Mister,
most
will you read a marking scheme for this?
marker scheme. This
Yes,
video,
ma'am.
I will upload this video.
Okay.
I will recording this. I already recorded the session. So
Yes, I noticed.
you have the answer, okay?
Mhm.
Mister, we will not study from the one of drugs and antibodies.
Again, please, honey.
Mister, we will not study from the lesson of drugs and biotechnology.
Drugs and biotechnology. Yes, the sheet includes this topic. If you ask about this,
Yani, it's also included in term 3 exam.
yes,
Okay.
the 3 topics, biotechnology and genetic engineering, smoke and the drugs, immunity and disease. These 3 topics includes in term 3 exam, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Okay. 22, which of the following cells make antibodies?
Pathogens.
Pathogens.
No.
Phagocytes?
Mister, isn't it supposed to be
Okay, I hear you, I hear you.
Mister, isn't it supposed to be lymphocytes?
Mister, المفروض
So
يكون في
no right answer for this 4 choices?
Phagocytes.
Well, Mister, I know it can't be pathogens because the cell that makes the antibodies have to destroy the pathogens, so it can't be pathogens.
Pathogens, like any microorganisms.
Yes, it
Maybe-
can be a pathogen.
It can be pathogens, defend its own body against another pathogen. So the pathogen have the ability to release and to make antibodies. Ruqayya, you understand the question?
Yes.
Ruqayya?
Yes, but Mr. in the sheet that explains this lesson, it says that antibody is made by lymphocytes.
I know about lymphocytes, including immunity system, your immunity system.
Mr. But like, doesn't the pathogens, like, what I know that the pathogens are organisms that cause
Pay
disease.
attention.
So
Okay,
how will
okay.
these make the antibodies to like kill another disease? Yes, Mister, I have the same question as Arjan.
Okay, okay. Pay attention, number 22. We said that viruses, bacteria, fungi. Let's talk about virus and bacteria. In case of the virus attack bacteria, like bacteriophage, example of virus attack bacteria. In this example, in this case, bacteria will do what?
Will defend itself.
Will defend itself against the virus by secreted what?
Antibodies.
Antibodies.
You got Ruqayya, you understand?
Yes. Now I
Okay.
understand.
This question slightly difficult, but we have two explanations in this one. But
Yes,
you don't
because they
study
didn't
B
mention the
cells.
case.
I know. You didn't study B cells.
Mm-hmm.
So from the four choices, logically, pathogens, in case of attack another pathogen, so it will make antibodies
Yes.
for your studying. But the most or accurate answer, letter C. But you didn't study the types of lymphocytes. B cells and T cells, types of lymphocyte. The B cells make the antibodies. You got it?
Yes.
But you didn't study this part.
So if this question came in the exam, what will our answer be?
No.
مستر طب والتي سيلز بقى بتعمل ليه؟
Abdullah, repeat your question, please.
هو تي سيلز بتعمل سكريت ليه؟
Not
بتعمل
secret. Not
بتعمل ايه قصدي يعني؟
Again, please.
يعني ايه الفانكشن بتاعتها بتعمل ايه؟
Start to bind the antibody, which is secreted by B cells, to the antigen.
اوكي
Again, please.
لا خلاص اوكي تمام
Okay. You understand?
يس
Yes.
You
So the
didn't
final
study the
answer is
types. You didn't study the types of lymphocytes. Lymphocytes have different types, like T cells and B cells. B cells make antibodies, but in this question, these four choices, you didn't study the types of lymphocytes, so you don't know about T cells. You don't know about B cells. So you will answer the question logically. Phagocytes engulf and digest the pathogen, not secreted antibodies. In case of pathogen attack another pathogen, the other pathogen defend its body against the attacking. So it will secrete and make antibodies. Okay. But the most and the accurate answer, letter C. It's clear? You understand this part?
Yes.
Don't worry about this question. It's considered as cancel the question. Okay? But the right answer, the accurate answer, C, but you didn't study the types of lymphocytes.
Mr. في types of phagocytes كده.
Different shapes, not parts, shapes. Which of the following is part of our specific immune defense?
Can I answer?
Okay.
Stomach acid.
Stomach acid.
Isn't
Sure.
it T cells?
هو T cells.
Who said T cells?
I.
The first one who said it.
Hannah said it first.
Jana, you said it?
Yes.
Why you said it T cells? You know T cells?
You said it's lymphocytes. And lymphocytes are adapted to the pathogen that's entering the body.
Excellent. Well, you understand the types of lymphocytes, so you said it. T cells means lymphocyte, right? Right?
Yes, yes.